Hi, this is Janet, and today we're going to be making fortune cookies. And so I have this printout that has everything I need. I'm going to use some tape, or if you have double stick tape, even better, or something like a glue dot, and a pair of scissors. So to begin, we're just going to take this sheet and cut out all the parts. So we have this section here that has our Bible verses, and I'm just going to cut those out individually. And those are the inserts for our fortune cookies. So you're just going to cut those into strips to be placed into the fortune cookies. Now we have enough here to make 5 fortune cookies. You could continue to make your own and insert your own message or your own Bible verse. So now I have those cut out, and I'm going to cut out the circles. So I'm just going to do a rough cut around one here, and set the rest aside, and then I'm going to cut this one down. So just follow around the outside of your circle as best you can. If you want to make your own, these circles are a little bit smaller, but you could do a 4-inch circle and of any kind of paper that you desire. Alright, so I have that cut out. And what I'm going to do is fold it in half and just give it a little pinch right here. And then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take a Bible verse and put it on the inside. And then I'm going to fold it like so. At this time, I am not pinching it. I am just going to, let me hold that in place there if I can. Okay. I am just going to push in on that a little bit, and then you can see that that's going to make it into thirds. So I'm going to fold that and that into a third, and then you fold it over, and that's your cookie. But what we want to do is attach a little tape inside. So I'm just going to hold on to this and take my piece of tape, and I'm going to make this into a double-sided piece of tape. And you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you desire, like so. And then you stick it into your fortune cookie, and then that's it, and it sits on your table. And so you can make as many as you like. What I suggest doing is you make all 5, put them in a cute little dish, and then each night at dinner you take one fortune cookie out, you open it up, read what it says is your Bible verse, and look it up in the book. Read it with your family, and then share the meaning and what you believe it to say. Hope you enjoyed doing this, and I will be sharing more crafts with you in the future. Until then, see you later.